Hello guys, from your favorite market maker right here, and just a quick analysis on the XRP hot topic at the moment. We're right now into the 4th week of July, and it's Tuesday right now. We are in the Asian session, and let's go through this quick analysis. Gold outlook, monthly time frame, fully bullish. Let's scale down to the weekly, but before that let's go down to the daily and show you what I see, because we need to delete this. Alright, let's keep that there anyway. So right now, weekly, we failed to break previous week's highs. Price is going back down. I don't see this unless this week it closes as an engulfing candle, something like this. I don't see XRP going down anytime soon, because this is fully bullish trend. It's a fullish bullish trend right now, and I don't see XRP going back down anytime soon. So unless we see this, I wouldn't personally look for a long-term short trend, long-term trend, sorry. But I see something like more like this maybe, and going back up, more probable to see, in my opinion. In fact, on the daily time frame, this doesn't look like a pattern to take this pair down right now at the moment. I like candlesticks, M pattern with more candlesticks in them, something that looks more spreads out. 4 hours time frame, we are right now consolidating. I was talking about this earlier. We are in an uptrend, and as you can see, we could get a possible W right pattern right here to continue the uptrend. So get the stops one more time and then continue back up. However, maybe we don't get that and we just go straight back up. But it's all to see. Like right now, my thoughts in this is for price to go to this. If we go down to the 30-minute time frame, we've got this 800 EMA right here. So by tomorrow it's going to be around these zones right there, and just something like that, like a W pattern. First leg, and then a second leg right there, which is possible. Let's see what happens in this zone. So it's going to be critical for what's to come for this week. However, long-term XRP holders, just hold, nothing to worry about at the moment from my point of view. And if we go down to the 50-minute, same thing. We've got this previous day low, could match up that 30-minute time frame 800 EMA, which is perfect. So yes, that's my analysis for this week on XRP. Unless we break these zones right here, I wouldn't look for shorts yet. And we need some confirmations on the candlesticks. So that's all from XRP outlook, and we'll catch in the next videos. We'll stay updated, guys, about XRP. Is a hot topic at the moment.